Hello, welcome back with me, Aisyah Umaira Adriana and Fitania Bunga Hairani. Okay, first question is, why do Indonesia learners often have difficult pronunciation final contrast sound in English?
So in my opinion, why Indonesian students really struggle when there are pronunciations a consonant in English that because of the spelling in Indonesia is really different with the way that English people pronounce. So it is basically like Indonesian words and in open syllables like vowels, so learners may unintentionally drop or weaken final consonant. For example, cat may sounds like chat, so or walk may sounds like walk. So many that student in Indonesia really like didn't cannot hear the clear one about the English word because the English people different the way they pronunciation and Indonesian student pronunciations is really different. So that's why that Indonesian's learner is really difficult or to pronunciations a consonant.
Okay. Which final contrast students are most commonly mispronounced by Indonesian learners?
So commonly difficult final sounds includes like for the less of the T in a word cat, so it sounds like cat. And then the next is K in a word bag, it will be sounds like bag. And then next is D in a word bat, it will be like bat. And the last is as in a word bus, it will be like bus. So yeah, learners may also confuse that final voice versus voiceless sounds such as bag versus bag. So there's a different thing between that two words, but because Indonesian learners is really like have a struggle in there, so they cannot make a difference between bag tas and bag balik kembali. So that's my opinion.
Okay. The last question is, what struggle can help Indonesia learners improve their final contract pronunciation?
Okay, for the that help the struggle in Indonesian to improve their final consonant pronunciation. For the first, that is practice slowly and exaggerate the final sounds. Yeah, the practice, more we will get. So yeah, and then the next is touch and hold method. So hold the final consonant for a second. Example like cat. So you need to be like there is a tekanan in the last of the word, like example like cat. And then next is record yourself and trying to talk in front of the mirror. Maybe that make you more confident with your pronunciations. And then the last is focus on your mouth positions and closing the sounds fully at the end of the word. So make it more like tegas. So when you want to say something, just say it. Trust yourself and focus on the word. So that's the method that you can use for helping the student struggle in spelling consonants.
Okay, thank you.
That's all.
Okay, that's all for me. Okay, that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.